Welcome dear learners of Standard 8. Hopefully you all are safe and sound at your home by the blessings of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss the subject Science Geography. Today I will discuss from your science book chapter 12, the outer space and satellite. And this chapter will discuss about the universe. First we should know what is universe. The universe is full of magical things. The universe is composed of all existing matter and space as a whole, and the earth, the planet, the stars far and near, comet, galaxy, small insect, dust, visible and invisible things all comprises our universe. But dear learners, nobody knows how big is the universe. The shape and size of the universe is unknown to all. Many scientists think that there is no beginning and ending of the universe. Again, some people believe that the universe has shape and size. Humans are discovering new information about the universe now and then, but much of it is still beyond knowing. However, this unknowing will continue forever. So, let's start our class today. Follow. What are you observing in these images? The sun and the moon, isn't it? So, we see the sun as the brightest object in the sky at daytime. You should not, however, look at the sun directly because it can cause great harm to your eyes. But when you look up at the sky at a clear night, what do you see? Can you remember? The cloudless sky of night surprises us. In a clear night sky, there is the moon. What is moon, you know? Okay, later on I will discuss. So, in a clear night sky, there is the moon and innumerable twinkling stars. We are charmed by their beauty. And above us there is the limitless sky and the infinite outer space. So, the sun, the moon, the planets, the stars, the Milky Way Galaxy, the different types of other galaxies, the outer space altogether make our universe. And dear learners, everything or these types of magical things that belongs to the universe is known as the object of firmament. So, let's go about the sun. I have told you the sun is the brightest object in the sky at daytime. So, something we have to know about the sun. The sun is the regulator of all the planets and minor planets or satellites existing in the solar system. It is the bright star or medium-sized star, and it has a close ties with the earth. The characteristics or major features of the sun: it is greater than the earth by 1300,000 fold. The earth is away from the sun by approximate 150 million kilometers or 15 crore kilometers, and it is about 1384,000 kilometers in width. The temperature of its surface or the surface temperature of the sun is 57,000 degrees Celsius. The sun has neither any hard nor any liquid substance. It consists of 55% of hydrogen, 45% of helium gas and 1% of other gases. The sun revolves on its own axis once in about 25 days, and it strolls or revolves around its own galaxy through the long way at a gap of about 200 million years. So, you have learnt in standard 7 about the motion of the earth, diurnal and annual motion, and from that point of view you know what is rotation and what is revolution. So, now we will know about something about moon. Follow here, moon is rotating around the earth. So, it possesses one natural satellite, the moon. Earth possesses the one natural satellite, that is the moon, and the only large terrestrial planet in the solar system, that is the earth. The average distance of the earth from the moon is 381 and 500 kilometers. It orbits the Earth once in 29 days and 12 hours. Holes, mountains, hills have been observed in the rear part of the moon, and this moon is the only one natural satellite of the planet Earth where we live. So we live on a planet called Earth, we know, and that is part of our solar system. But where is our solar system? You know, it's a small part of the Milky Way Galaxy. Let's know about the universe. The universe, the word comes from the Latin word universus, is all of space and time and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. Everything that belongs to the universe is known as the object of the firmament, that is the sky or the heaven. So here follow the stars. There are different types of stars you are observing, and these stars always charmed by their beauty. So although many more things are not known to us, but scientists think that a lot of elements of the universe are scattered here and there in the outer space, and the existence of these matters in some parts of the universe is higher than another part. So the matters concentrated on a large volume in some parts of the universe is called the galaxy or star world. So stars comes from the galaxy. When two or more stars, billions of stars, combined together by their mutual gravitational force forms a galaxy. And dear learners, do you know the stars in the space are classified in three colors, that is red, indigo and yellow, and the biggest stars are red in color, and mediums are yellow, and small stars are indigo. So let's know about the star. A star is an astronomical object consisting of a luminous spheroid of plasma held together by its own gravity, and the nearest star to Earth is the Sun. Many other stars are visible to the naked eye from Earth during the night, appearing as a multitude of fixed luminous points in the sky due to their immense distance from Earth. Now, the question may arise, what is plasma? In higher class, according to chemistry, you will learn about the plasma. Just I want to share a little bit. So you know from the geology part of your book about the blood plasma. What have you learned? The pale yellow fluid of whole blood that consists of water and its dissolved constituents, including especially the protein-based substance such as the albumin. This is the blood plasma. But according to the chemistry, what we know, a state of matter in which some or all of the electrons have been turned from their parent atoms, and the negatively charged electrons and positively charged ions move independently. That means they separate, they become separate. So plasmas are usually associated with very high temperatures, and most of the sun is a plasma. That means not only sun, different types of stars is a plasma. Now come to the point, what is galaxy? Because later on we will know about our Milky Way Galaxy. So before starting the Milky Way Galaxy, we should know about the galaxy. Follow here the galaxy, and we know the galaxy is the where billions of stars composed or consist. So here one star, just it can be the sun, and this is the sun. From the galaxy we can take one star, and centering this sun the solar system revolves, and here is our planet. So what is galaxy? A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust and billions of stars and their solar systems, all held together by gravity. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust and billions of stars and their solar systems. A galaxy is held together by gravity. So here our galaxy, the Milky Way, has also a supermassive black hole in the middle. There are many galaxies besides ours, though. There are so many we cannot even count them all yet. But the scientist Hubble Space Telescope looked at a small patch of space for 12 days and found 10,000 galaxies of all sizes, shapes and colors. Some scientists think that there could be as many as 100 billion galaxies in the universe. So, this picture taken by the Hubble Space Telescope showing thousands of galaxies, and even a tiny dots are whole galaxies. The universe is a very big place. And the brightest planet, we know that is the brightest planet is Venus, and the reddest planet is the Mars. And sometimes this galaxy, a faint glowing band across the overhead sky when it is clear and dark enough, and it is made up of stars too far away to be seen as separate points of light. This band is known as Milky Way. So, if you look through the telescope, you will see many more objects in the sky. So, the word galaxy is derived from the Greek galaxies. A reference, that means literally it is known as Milky, a reference to the Milky Way. Our solar system is located in the outer space reaches of the Milky Way Galaxy, which is a spiral galaxy, and the Milky Way Galaxy contains 200 billion stars. Most of these stars are not visible from Earth. Almost everything that we can see in the sky belongs to the Milky Way Galaxy. So, let us know what is space. So, outer space means space lying between the atmosphere surrounding the Earth. So, here the learners, space is all around the Earth and extends between the air which surrounds the Earth, and the atmosphere of the Earth rotates along with it. So, atmosphere is a part of the Earth, not the part of the universe, and this is why the atmosphere is taken as a part of the Earth and not as a part of the universe. So, thus the outer space begins where atmosphere ends. And atmosphere, this space is the void that exists between celestial bodies including the Earth. It is not completely empty, but it includes low density particles, predominantly hydrogen and helium plasma especially, as well as electromagnetic radiation, etc. So, let us know about the outer space. So, all these the heavenly bodies are in our outer space or the universe. So, every things, matters, energy, everything we can see in our universe. So, what is outer space? Outer space is the vast extension of space in which all objects of the sky, including the planets, stars and galaxies, have their existence, and the outer space is mostly empty, in which the material objects in different forms are moving in their respective paths. So, from the outer space, our Earth looks bright and like the other planets due to the sunlight reflected from their surface. So, dear learners, each and every part, that means star, galaxy, sun, moon, outer space, space, you have to understand and read properly. So, today up to this, thank you all, stay safe and stay blessed at your home.